So here we go, making shrimp and ramen noodles. You got to blanch the broccoli, so cut it into smaller pieces. You can cut that tough part off and then just pick them. Here we go, stirring the ramen. That's just ramen I get in the packages for like 10 for $1 or something. Brown your garlic. Use lots of garlic. That's one of the secrets to Asian cooking is lots of garlic. And stir it often so it doesn't burn. That's just in a cast iron skillet with some olive oil. And then I add the shrimp. I like to leave the tails on because I think it's cool, the color change that happens in the tails. And then stir it. You're just sauteing that. And once it starts to brown, you're good to go. Pull the shrimp out. Add your soy sauce and your brown sugar. And then let that reduce. And it's going to start to turn into a paste. Now, one of the things, a glaze. One of the things that I didn't do with this, I didn't add any ginger because I didn't have any. If I had some pickled ginger, I would have added that, or fresh ginger. I would have grated some and added that to this also. And you see how thick it's getting? That's what you want. You want that glaze. It's almost like a teriyaki glaze that you're going to be able to toss over the noodles. And then to this, I add carrots, just shredded carrots, and let them cook down. I blanch the broccoli till it's bright green. Pull that out. If we did it again, we would add more vegetables to this dish. And then that same bowl that I blanched the broccoli, I drain it. I add the shrimp to that bowl because it's a bigger pot. And then I pour the glaze and the carrots over top of that. And then to that, I add the ramen noodles that I've already pre-cooked. You have to have a giant pot so you have plenty of room. And like I said, after we ate it, we really enjoyed it. We would have liked to had more broccoli and more carrots in it, more vegetables. We even thought less shrimp, which is crazy, but it was really good. And then eat this with chopsticks. Chopsticks make you slow down when you eat and you enjoy it more. And then make a pretty plate of it and post it. Share what you're doing. You know, that's one of the cool things about food is you're sharing joy with someone else. And it not only feeds their stomachs, their tummies, it also feeds their soul. So what you do is you mound it up on the center of a big old plate and get some good cool plates. And then you put your colors on there. So you want some of that green broccoli and that orange carrot. Wow, that looks good right now. I am so hungry. All right, y'all enjoy. I'll get the recipe on here shortly. All right, y'all give me a follow on Facebook at Cook Like a Rockstar. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Matt Dad. Thanks a lot.